I'm walking to the data exchange, currency exchange shop. I think it takes me 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's pretty close. I think it's here. Yeah. This is the shop. You can see. You can search it on Google. And let's go inside. $100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000. $26. Yes, okay. $100. 26. Yes, this is just exchange 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 million. Yes, I will show you later. Okay.
Okay.
Go. Okay, I succeeded.
That's pretty good. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, without a password, without a passport. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you here. Let me show you. This is 100. This is 100, 200, and 200, 250, and 60, and yeah, actually it's 260.
62.
260. Yeah, 260.
Yes. That's pretty much.
You see, I just succeed transfer. Switch the money here is $100, and I get 2.6 million. It's better, a better exchange rate than airport in this shop.
Yes.
Yeah, name is Kingman. Okay.
Yes.
There is some other great, currency exchange shop in Ho Chi Minh City.
Yes.
Yes, for $100.
Okay.
Yes, the rate is 26, almost 26,000 exchange rate.
Yes.
US dollars. Yes.
Yes.
This is the best. Compared with the exchange shop in airport.
Yes.
In a local street, normally you save 30%. You save 30%. So remember, when you landed Ho Chi Minh, maybe you just change a little bit, for your maybe you buy a SIM card, or you buy a taxi. You pay the taxi, just a little bit. The taxi here is not expensive, so a little bit, but remember to transfer your money mostly to the local shop. Like I just mentioned, one very near to the hotel, like Pullman Saigon Hotel. Yeah, Pullman Saigon Hotel.
Yes.
And also we have other options like Bing Tai. It's a very good, it's a golden shop. We also sell golden. It's very famous, Bing Tai, and you can check the exactly name and the address below our video. I think yes, we will give you the details.
Yeah.
And yes, it save a lot. And yes, you can get I forget the name, but there is about 2 to 3 famous shops where we can exchange.
Okay. Later I will summarize these locations under our video, so all the viewers you can see this. And that's really good. I think your advice will definitely help many visitors avoid mistakes and problems here.
If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment.